What is up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Phil Sarpon. This is Phil's Guide to PsyD. This channel is dedicated to all things psychology, wellness, and graduate school. One of the things that I thought would be actually really helpful is to actually go through a breathing exercise right now. So if you have a chance, definitely sit down in a chair or lie on the ground. The thing about mindful breathing is that mindful breathing can actually occur in a number of different stressful places. But the more you practice them in these quiet spaces, the more you'll actually be able to bring them up whenever you do feel stressed. So you can sit, you can stand, but you want to consciously relax all parts of your body. And as you relax, you want to try to ensure that no tension remains. And you also, if you are sitting upright or if you're lying down, you want to make sure that all of the muscles that you can feel are just feeling more relaxed and more heavy and less tense. And then as you start, you can deepen your breaths in and out. And then next you can begin to count your breath for a count of 4 seconds. So as you inhale, go ahead and inhale for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now finally exhale for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can do this for as long as you need. Perhaps it could be 30 seconds, perhaps it could be 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But this is a great way to connect your body and your mind and to actually start training your body and your mind together. Again, whatever your goals are for this year, whether it's career related, whether it's school related, there are so many different parts of yourself that need to be trained in order to stay healthy. And it's important to not neglect any area, whether it's your physical body, whether it's exercise, whether it's sleep, whether it's nutrition, or even whether it's your mental well-being. So again, these are just some ways to keep your physical training upright with setting good goals for yourself, recording your progress, getting accountability. And lastly, for the mental training, visualizing your dream, visualizing your success, visualizing where you want to become and the goals that you want to reach. And finally, using a breathing meditation exercise to calm your body whenever you need to. And with that, guys, that is basically one way to train your body and your mind. This is for a lot of sports psychologists will do this for their clients. Personal trainers will also do this as well. And even some clinicians, some therapists will also do this for their clients as well. So a great way to kind of calm your nerves is just going through and doing a breathing exercise just to kind of take you a little bit more into a relaxed position. All right, so if you guys have any questions about this, definitely put it down in the comment section below. For anyone who has done this before or has found it helpful, definitely also comment down below. If you guys haven't already, definitely subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.